How about the 1965 Pontiac GTO hardtop? Cameo White over dark blue, frame off restored, garage cap, but it's got a Jasper 455 cubic inch V8.
Why not?
So why not? Well, them Jasper NASCAR motors probably.
I see, Jasper.
Yeah, a Doug Nash manual transmission's got the PHS documentation. Great car, great body style.
Pontiac Historical Society, is that right?
That's correct. That's correct. It tells you everything the car was born with. Doesn't tell you what it has now. Tells you what it was born with.
In the write-up, I said, is a massaged goat better than a tweaked pony?
Your epiduris is showing, Steve.
That's up to you. That's up to you.
You know, it's interesting on PHS documentation and Marty reports and all that is people think if they have these, then the car has everything that was on that sheet.
Right.
And that's not the case. It just tells you what it was built with. So you know that it came with 3 deuces instead of a single 4-barrel, or it came with a manual transmission, not an automatic, or, you know, all the different options that came on it. And you'll know that to be true. And options can be just as important to value. You know, forget the engine and the transmission, the rear end all being numbers matching. That's hugely important.
Right.
But factory air conditioning is a huge bump. It's 10 or 15% difference in price. 5-speed manual transmission, same thing, 10 or 15% different in price, higher price.